First, take a square piece of paper and fold until the tips meet. Unfold and do the same thing again that way.
Are you making that for me?
Of course I am, my little swamp cat.
That's so sweet.
I know. Now fold the bottom to the center line, like this. After that, fold upwards, like this, see?
You know, it's come to my attention that some viewers don't appreciate our banter during the videos.
I know. Some has gone so far as to not recommend this channel. By the way, fold the sides over the center line, like this, after you've folded the figure upwards. So far so good, yeah?
You're so good at that.
Yeah, well. Yes, press tightly like this. Now take the lower flap, fold it over, and fold it over back again. After that, you will squash fold the flap.
That's so cool.
Thank you. Now fold the top part of that little pouch downwards. Next, take a pair of scissors and cut the middle of the pouch. After that you can shape the pouch into a Valentine's heart. And there you have it.
So beautiful. I love it.
Thanks for watching.